Good morning. Chapter Binomial Theorem, exercise 8.1, question number 7. The question is, using binomial theorem, evaluate 102 to the power 5. Okay? That means find its value by using binomial theorem. So, we can write 102 to the power 5.
Sir, 100 plus 2 to the power
100
5.
plus 2 to the power 5.
Yes. Five. Okay. So here n equal to 5. So 5c0.
Yes, sir. Sir, 5c0 into 100 to the power 5 plus 5c1 into 100 to the power 4 into 2.
5c1.
Sir, 5c1 into 100 to the power 4 into 2. Sir, plus 5c2 into 100 to the power 3 into 2 square. Sir, into 2 square.
Plus 5c3 into 100 square.
Sir, into 100 square into 2 cube.
Plus 5c4.
Sir, plus 5c2 into 100 to the plus 5c4 into 100 into 2 to the power 4.
Into 2 to the power 4. Plus term 5c5.
Sir, 5c5 into 2 to the power 5.
5c0 means factorial 5 by factorial 0 into 5 minus 0. Okay, so it is 1. So 100 to the power 5. 100 to the power 5 plus 5c1 means factorial.
Sir, it is 5.
Factorial 1 into 5 minus 1, 4 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial cancel, it is 5.
Sir, it will be 5.
5 into 2, 10. 10 into 100 to the power 4. Plus 5c2, factorial 5 by factorial 2 into factorial 3.
Sir, it will be 10.
And 5
So
factorial
10 into 100 to the power 3 into 2 square.
and factorial 5 into 4 into 3. 3 cancel. So 20 by 2.
Sir, 20.
10 into 4, 10 into 4, 40.
Sir, 40 into
Yes,
100 to the
40.
sir 40 into 100 cube.
Plus 5c3 factorial 5 by factorial 3 into factorial 2. So 10 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 into 2 cube 8, that is 8.
Sir, 80 into 100 square.
100 cube. 100 square it will be.
8 into
Sir, 100 square.
100 square.
plus 5c4 factorial 5 by factorial 4 into 1. Okay, so 5. It is 5.
Sir, 5.
5.
10 into 100, 1000. It is 1000, no? See.
Yes, sir.
10 into 100, 1000. Plus 5c5 is 1, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 is 32.
32.
Okay. So this is equal to 105. So 1 after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay?
Sir, 10 zeros.
10 zeros plus 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4. Power 4 into 1 more 0 into 10 plus 40 into
40 into 5 zeros, it will be 10, 1.
plus 80 into 100 into 100
Sir, 10,000.
plus
Sir, plus 1,000 plus 32.
1000 plus
32.
five plus 1 1 2 3 4 1 1 0. Okay, plus 4 into 1 4 4, then 1 pair 2 pair into 0, 40 0 plus 8 into 5 0, 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1000 plus 32. Okay, now add. Okay, so start from right side. So first 2 3 2 2 3. Okay, then 2 3 0
0, 8, 0.
5 6. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So 2 3, then 0 0 2 3 0 0. Okay, what is the question? 2 3 0. Check now. 105 is okay. Then 10 into this, 40 into 4, 80, and 1000. 2 cube is 8. Oh yes, 5C4. Second last term, check. Second last term.
Sir, it will be 8,000.
Yes, sir.
5C.
It will be 8,000.
2 to the power 4 is 16, no? 5C4
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
is 10. 10 into 1000 into 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay?
Yes, sir. 16 5 is 80. That is the reason. It will be
Sir,
8,000.
80,000.
So 16,000 this is 2 to the power 4 16. And what is a 5C4? Factorial 5 by factorial 4 into 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay? So 5 into 16, that is 80.
80.
80, that means 8,000.
8,000.
Okay? 8,000.
Yes, sir.
Second last term.
Yes, sir.
This is 8,000. Okay. So this also 8. Now 2 3, then 0
0, 8.
0
Sir, 08, 0.
0, 8.
1
Again 0, 8.
0 8.
Sir, again 08. Then, sir, 040.
So
Then
0, 4.
1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 4
Zero
Sir,
four
04.
011
011.
011.
yes, 0 1
So 011.
Sir, 11.
10 11 total 11 digit 1 1
Yes,
0
sir.
0 8 0 8 0 3 2 okay
Yes,
this
sir.
is answer okay now it is clear
Yes.
okay next we'll do question number 10 using binomial theorem using binomial theorem indicate which number is larger indicate which number is larger one point one to the power 10,000 10,000 or 1,000 or 1,000 okay find which one greater by using binomial theorem so 1.1 to the power 10,000 calculate its value so equal to
Sir, can we write 1 plus 0.1 to the power 10,000?
plus 0.1 to the power 10,000
10,000.
okay now using binomial theorem n here n equal to 10,000 so 10,000 C0 and C0 10,000 C0
C0
into 1
1 to the power 10,000.
1 only to write into 1 1 to the power 10,000 1 only plus
10,000 to the power C1.
C1 okay into
So 1 to the power 9999.
okay is okay so write into 0.1 okay
Okay, sir.
plus 10,000 C2 into 0.1 square plus 10,000
10,000
C3
C3 into 0.1 cube.
0.1 cube okay and so on plus dot 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 okay now
Yes.
10,000 C0 means 1 and C0 is 1 we know so it is 1 plus and NC1 means we know NC1 means factorial n by factorial n minus 1 and factorial n means n into n minus 1 so n minus 1 n minus 1 cancel so it is n that means 10,000 okay
Yes, yes.
put 0 into 0.1 plus other positive terms so all numbers are positive
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
positive numbers okay Now 1 plus this into 0.1, that means 1000. Okay,
So 1000 should be 1001.
plus positive numbers. Okay, so this equal to 1001
1001.
plus other positive numbers. Positive numbers. Okay, now this will compare with 1000. No, 1000.
So if 1001 is greater than 1000, so 1.1 to the power
So
10,000 is larger
this
than
is
1000.
that means this is greater than 1000. This one.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So greater than 1000 because 1001 plus other positive numbers. So greater than
Yes, sir.
1000. So thus we can say
Sir,
this
therefore,
one.
So
1.1 to the power 10,000 is
is
greater than
larger than 1000.
1000.
Thus, (1.1 to the power 10,000). This greater than 1000. Okay.
Yes.
Here it is.
Yes.
Okay. Next, question number 11. Find a plus b to the power 4 minus a minus b to the power 4. A minus b to the power 4. Hence, evaluate root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2 to the power 4 minus root 3 minus root 2, root 3 minus root 2 to the power 4. Okay. So first we expand a plus b to the power 4. A plus b to the power 4. Okay. So a plus b to the power 4.
Sir, 4c0 into
4
a
to
to the
0
power 4
Power 4
plus 4c1 a to the
Sir,
power
4c1
cube
into
into
a cube
b1
into b.
plus
Sir,
4c2
4c2 into
into
a
a
square
square
into b
into b
square.
square
Sir, plus
plus
4c3 into
4c3 into a
ab
into b
cube
cube ab cube
plus.
plus
plus
4c4
4c4
into
into
b
b
to the
the power
power 4
Now 4c0 means 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
0 factorial 4 by factorial 4.
That will be a to the power 4 only.
4 plus 4c1 means factorial 4 by factorial 3. Okay, so it is 4. So 4 a cube b. Okay,
A cube b
plus 4c2 means factorial 4 by factorial 2 into factorial 2. So 4 into 3 into factorial 2, that is 12 by 2, 6.
So 6a square b square.
6a square b square. Okay. 4c3 means factorial 4 by factorial 3 into 1. So
1 factor. It is 4ab cube.
Sir, 4.
4ab cube plus 4c4 means
4c4 is 1.
4 factorial by 4 factorial, that is 1. So b to the power 4.
so b to the power 4. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the equation number 1. Okay. Okay. Now minus 1. A minus b to the power 4.
So same only, just we have to put plus and minus.
Minus b to the power 4. Okay. So this is
So we can write it as a plus
a
bracket
to the-
minus b to the power 4.
that means, okay, write 4 c0 a to the power 4.
Sir, 4c0 into a to the power 4.
4c1 a cube
Sir, 4c1 into a cube into minus b.
plus 4c2
Sir, it is 4c2 into a square into minus b square. Sir, 4c3
So
into
4c3
a into minus b cube.
So plus minus b to the power 4.
Sir, plus minus b to the power 4.
power 4.
4.
Now, okay, so 4c0 means 1, so a to the power 4.
A to the power 4.
Sir, a to the power 4.
And minus b, so plus minus minus.
So minus 4a cube b.
The next one plus minus b whole
So
square.
plus
Sir,
6a
6a
square
square
b
b square. Sir, minus b square is b square only, so sir, it will be 6a square b square. Sir, minus 4
minus
cube
4ab
because
cube.
sir, minus b cube is equal to minus b cube only. So sir, it will be minus
So
4
it
ab
is
cube.
minus 4ab cube plus b cube. B to the power 4.
Sir, plus b to the power
So
4.
plus b to the power 4.
Now, as per question, equation 1 minus equation 2. Now 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus 2. So, first to write, first one answer equation 1. That is a to the power 4 all plus. No?
Yes.
A to the power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube plus b to the power 4 b to the power 4 then minus, okay, minus a4 minus 4a cube b plus 6 square b square minus 4 a b cube plus b to the power 4. Okay. Now a to the power 4 plus 4 a cube b plus 6 a square b square plus 4ab cube plus b to the power 4 minus
Sir, minus a to the power 4 plus 4a
plus
cube b
4a
minus
cube
6a
b
square b
minus
square
6a square b
plus
square
4ab cube
plus
minus
4ab
b to the
cube
power
minus
4.
b to the power 4.
Sir, minus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube.
Minus
Sir,
b to
plus
the power
4.
4.
Sir, plus 4ab cube minus b to the power 4.
Minus b to the power 4.
Okay. Okay. So b to the power 4.
Sir, a to the power 4,
So b
a
to the power
4 will get
4 cut.
cancelled, b to the
C
power 4
square a
also.
b square
And sir,
also cancel.
minus
A to the
6a
power 4
square b
also
square
cancel.
plus 6a square b square will also get cancelled.
6 square b square. 6 square b square.
So it will be 8a cube b plus 8ab cube.
8
8ab cube.
ab cube. Okay. Now.
So we can take
Now we
8ab
will put the
common.
values
So
of
it will
root
be
3
a square
and
plus b square.
8ab common.
A square plus b square.
A square plus b square. Okay. So this is the first part answer. Okay. 8ab into
Yes,
b
sir.
square plus b
so
square.
now we will put the values of root 3 and
So
root
now
2
we'll
in
put
the
a as
equation.
root 3 and b as root 2.
Then putting a equal to root 3. For second
And
part.
b equal to root 2.
B equal to root 2. So root 3 plus root 2 to the power 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 to the power 4 to the power 4. This equal to 8 into a equal to
AB.
8.
Sir,
Root 3 into root 2
into
in
root 3
bracket
square
root
plus
3
root 2
square
square.
plus root 2 square.
Root
Into root 3 into root 2 in and in bracket it will be 3 plus 2, that is 5.
3 plus 2, then sir, 8 root 3 into 5,
It will be
which is
8
40
into
root
5, that
3.
is 40 root 6.
Sir, 40 root 6
Into 5, that is 40 root 6.
into 5, which is 40 root 6.
Yes.
This is the
Yes, sir.
second part answer. This is
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
It is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
So this type question now you can do, no?
Yes, sir.
A plus b to the power 4, but if it is a plus b to the power 6, then also you can do. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.